I'm Hexy! First of all, I take this opportunity to thank you all for reaching 1000 subscribers goal. Thank you! In today's video, I'll show you 10 Clip Studio Paint tips that will make your life easier when you draw. Enjoy! First tip is white outline. To add a white outline to your drawings, go to Layer Properties. If you don't have it here on the right of your screen, go on Window and click Layer Properties. Then it should appear to you. Click this circle, and as you can see, a white outline appeared. You can increase and decrease the size, and you can also change its color. If you add a white outline but you wanna scale your drawing, you'll notice that if you scale it or rotate, the white outline will look a bit wonky. So this is what I do to avoid this. Before applying the white outline, convert the layer to image material. To do so, right click, convert layer, and select image material layer. This way, when you add the white outline and you scale or rotate the drawing, the borders will look way better. You can also add the white outline and rasterize the layer, then scale and rotate. You can add white outline to your brushes as well, so you'll have this very nice effect if you wanna draw something or add some details. And of course, you can also add the outlines to a text. Second is the Lasso Tool. Use the lasso fill if you want to be fast at filling some parts of the drawing. You can also select the eraser option if you want to do it faster. I also use it for shading hair. Third tip is convert brightness to opacity. If you have a drawing in a white background, you can remove the white part by going to Edit and convert brightness to opacity. This way you'll only have black lines. Fourth is mesh transform. This is super useful when I add prints to a shirt, for example. You can deform the mesh of a drawing like this. You can find this in Edit, Transform, Mesh Transform. Liquify. This is a real lifesaver. You can easily edit parts of drawing without having to redraw. You can increase and decrease size, and a lot of other stuff too. 3D models. Models are the best. They make your life easier and faster. You have a selection of backgrounds, poses, objects, and even characters. You can edit everything, from head to toe. Literally. Vector line art. For line art lovers, you may find this extremely useful. The best thing of this function is its eraser. You can erase stuff super quickly with only a touch. You can also thicken and narrow lines. I mostly use this for emotes. Pick color from layer. If you need to pick a color that it's in a multiply layer, instead of turning every time layer normal and increase opacity, just use this drop. It will pick the exact color of the layer. It works with every layer mode. Tone. This was suggested by my friend Vita. Thank you, baby. Have you ever wondered how to add that super cool tone effect on your drawings? Now you'll know. Go on Layer Properties and click Tone. Reduce frequency if you want the dots bigger. You can change the shape of the dots too. To change colors, once you're sure with the size and shape, rasterize the layer. Lock the pixels in color. Timelapse. Last but not last, Timelapse is a super cool feature who automatically makes a timelapse of your drawing. To set it automatic, go on File and click the square here. Now, every time you create a new project, the timelapse will be automatically created. I hope these tips will be useful to you. Thank you for watching. If you wanna see more content, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next video!